is that? It's a chip? Hey, can you tell me what a cow says? Moo. What does a sheep say? What does a duck say? What does a duck say? What does a dog say? What does a dog say? No, a dog. Ruff, ruff. What does a lion say? Roar, good. That's what a duck says, huh? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say see ya.
Cha.
Are you getting in your car? What is this?
Cha.
It's a car. See ya.